Hi guys, how are you today? In this content I want to share what is a coconut bonsai cut rose and how to make a cut rose. But before that, subscribe first and click the bell icon. I thank the loyal subscribers. All my friends. Okay, without lingering, we just go straight to the subject of our discussion this time. But before that, the first intro guys. What is cut roses in coconut bonsai? This is a technique for shrinking coconut bonsai leaves from the first time they grow. This technique can only be done for new coconuts that will grow the first leaves, and this method is very effective and also fast to get small leaves. So if the coconut bonsai leaf is not the first leaf, it is not cut the rose name. Requirements for coconut shoots that can be cut roses are: 1. Only the first leaf and only 1 centimeter appears from the leaf wrapper. 2. In a healthy state both roots and shoots. After these requirements are met, we can already cut roses on the coconut bonsai material, by tearing the first leaf wrapping layer after layer, so that there is an early detection of the first leaf. We don't need to clean the cut because it functions as a support for young leaves because it is prone to fracture. The next step after we cut the coconut bonsai rose is drying it in the morning sun between 7 to 10 a.m. It is necessary to pay attention to the coconut which is exposing the coconut shell. It must be protected from the coconut shell so that it does not break or crack. This drying intends to dry the cut wound at once, give the tree photosynthesis time. This drying is done every day as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next video.